Channel is called The Scarlet Social, and tonight I am sharing some of my favorite beauty and skincare products. I'm a little sick, so I'm very stuffed up. If you hear my voice sounds a little off, I'm just really stuffed up. I don't know if it's allergies or what's going on, but I'm very, very clogged. But I have so many favorites when it comes to beauty and skincare from Amazon, and let's just jump right into it. The first one is the Batiste Dry Shampoo. Ooh, does this one have any left? They're both about empty. This one has a little bit left, but this one is for blonde hair. You literally spray it, and I'm telling you, if you have blonde hair, this is for you. It is so, so good. And you can see that it literally lightens your roots. So my roots are obviously grown out a little bit. I have a little baby who's 6 months old, and I need all the help I can get right now, okay? No time to shower, no time to do anything. So dry shampoo is a must. So this stuff is so good. This one is for blondes, but they also have it for all different hair colors. But the blonde one literally makes your hair more blonde without actually going to get your hair lightened, which is definitely a plus. Love that. Very convenient. One is $9.99 for a set of 3. I've also linked it is $27 for a set of 3. Very, very good deal. It's like my favorite dry shampoo. It's amazing. Okay, super good. You've got to get it added to your cart. You guys will not regret it. Okay, next up, L'Occitane. So this is a brand from France. Very good. They have the best hand cream, which I'm going to show soon. This is a face cream. I got this for Christmas. Oh my God. Look how good it is. I used the whole dang thing. It's amazing. The best face cream ever. I'm going to try to get a little more out. There's like none left, okay? Tiny bit left. So it is literally so moisturizing. It is so good. It's really good for fine lines and wrinkles. It's good for to brighten your skin. Oh my God. It also is just good for relaxation. I feel like it smells so freaking good, you guys. It's like, what is going on? It smells amazing. It is so good. It's like you just went to the spa. It is so good. I also noticed that my skin just looked more moisturized, even skin tone, all those things. But it just feels like you went to the spa. It's so good. Okay, next up I have the Lancier Skin Contour. This is really good for the décolleté, which is this area here. So if you're older than like 35, you need to start paying, even older than 30, let's be real, you need to start paying attention to this area here on your neck. So this stuff is really good for that. So I usually do 3 squirts of this, kind of blend it in, and then I go from right here, my neck, and then down to the décolleté area. And I'm telling you, this will even all those wrinkles out. It'll help the sun spots, all that skin pigmentation. It'll help this whole area just to look young, youthful, vibrant. It's amazing what this stuff does. You guys, I'm telling you, there's so many skincare products that they say, okay, try this for 2 weeks and see what you feel. This is like number one. Do it one day, and I'm telling you, you will see the results, okay? One day, you will see the results with this. So it's crazy. One day, and that's it. It's not like a 2-week thing. One day, you're going to see the difference. It's amazing. Okay, we also have a Jimmy Choo perfume. This stuff smells amazing. I cannot believe this is on Amazon, and this is one of my favorite perfumes. It's very feminine. It's beautiful. I'm going to spray a little bit. By the way, a little bit of a tip. Spray the back of your head like this. I learned that recently. And then just kind of do this. And then I do the wrist. And then I kind of put it on my neck. But always remember the back of your hair. It's a little tip I learned recently. This stuff smells so, so good. It's very feminine. Summery, feminine, just elegant. It is so beautiful, and it's $136, and it lasts a long time. Obviously, it's a beautiful perfume. Jimmy Choo, luxury designer, amazing. Next, I have linked up a lavender spray. This is a linen spray. You can spray all over your bedding. You can spray this on your pillows, your carpets, your couch, anything like that you need to give a little bit of a refresh. This will really help your linen. So I love this for like nighttime to spray on my pillows and my bedding. Also, I love to spray this on the couch at night. Also we have dogs, so it really helps to just like get rid of like the dog scent and all that stuff. So really great product. Okay, next up I have an essential oil. This is peppermint oil. You guys, I know it sounds crazy. Everyone's like, okay, what are you going to do with peppermint oil? Are you going to put this in your diffuser? Maybe, but guess what else you can do with this? No one knows about this, okay? A little trick of the trade, if you will. It's $9.98. Sorry if I sound clogged up. I'm a little bit sick right now with, I don't know if it's a cold or allergies or what, but I'm so clogged up. But it's $9.98, 57% off. It's usually 22 bucks. 4 ounces. So this will last you a lifetime. So if you are someone you know suffers from headaches, migraines, peppermint oil is what you need. So you literally can just put this and put a little bit on your wrist and smell it, or you can literally just take this dropper, take a deep inhale in and out for about 4 seconds. I feel like I'm meditating here. You guys, it will get rid of your migraine. I'm telling you. See, I already feel, it also will calm you down. In through 4, out through 4. In through 4, out through 4. There you go. Your headache is gone. You are calm. You are centered. Peppermint oil is awakening, but also calming, and it really will help with headaches. Chat not working. Need help. No, it's working. I can see your chat, Kurt. Nevea Grace, thank you for following. Thank you so much. Okay, next I have linked up my favorite foundation. You guys, this foundation is amazing. It also comes with the foundation brush. I am out of it. Where is it? It's not here. Okay, so I ran out of this. I'm not sure. No, I don't really give out my phone number on here. I'm not sure what you're talking about with the chat. The chat is working here. I can see your chat. So this foundation, you guys, it is so good. It comes with a brush. It is amazing. It's like you are airbrushed. So try this. It is so amazing. Okay, next up we have the Sunday Riley CEO Glow. This is so good. It has turmeric and vitamin C. It is amazing. It really gives your face that beautiful glow that everyone's looking for. You just take this dropper. I usually just drop a few drops in my hand and just kind of rub this in my skin. And it really helps with pigmentation and overall skin appearance. It is just so good. If you need some hydration, moisture, vitamin C is where you need to go, okay? It's so good. Next up, we have the Olaplex number 7. I actually used this today. This is in my bathroom. I didn't even bring it in here. So you can see my hair is like all wavy right now. It's still a little bit wet. I have a baby. I have a 6-month-old. Everything's a hot mess right now. So I just basically took the quickest shower in the world, and I took a little bit of this oil, 3 squirts, and I just go like this at the bottom. Just like this. And that's it. Okay, and that's all you have to do, and then your hair gets hydrated, it feels healthy, it starts growing. This stuff works. I'm telling you, it is amazing. They have a patent on this company, Olaplex, because no one else can use what they have going on. It's amazing. So their stuff's really good. Okay, next is a French product. This is the Clé de Peau Beauty Serum. I don't know, brightening serum. This stuff's amazing. It's like $400, okay? I know. I've linked an expensive product. Don't judge. But so I squirt some on my hand. I'm going to put this on. This stuff is like a miracle cream, okay? It will do everything. Fine lines, wrinkles, pores, hydration, everything. So if you literally just want to wash your face and use this, you can skip every other step. You can literally skip everything else. This stuff is so good. Amazing. Someone is chatting. I am scared. I don't know why you're scared. What is going on? Are you okay? We want to know if you're okay. Okay, next up, KERASTASE. This is my favorite hydration, and where is it? So, okay, is it here? Is it here? Is it here? Oh, I left this in the bathroom too. So this is the KERASTASE. I've shared this a million times. I've done live videos with this. This is a treatment that you just take a little bit, you just kind of scrunch it up in your hair for wavy hair, and it just kind of helps to give you hydration and helps to maintain with like curls and waves. But also if you don't have wavy hair, you can just do a tiny bit on the ends and it'll just kind of help for your hair to be nice and smooth and shiny. Okay, next up, L'Occitane. This is the brand that I just shared a little bit earlier. This is from France. This is the hand cream. This stuff is amazing. This one's huge. So this one is, this one's 5.1 ounces. So you obviously don't need to get this big of a size. I like to do the small ones, but look, that was quite a lot. So this is $40. And this one is huge, like I said earlier, but you can get the smaller ones and they're a lot cheaper. But this is a really beautiful hand cream. I like this for travel. Whenever I'm traveling somewhere, oh, it feels so good. It's like butter. If you have dry hands or dry feet, this is amazing. It literally does the trick. It's so, so freaking good. Oh, it's like you want to put it all over your body. It's just so amazing. Okay, if you need a primer, this is a Peter Thomas primer. So this says instantly tightens and firms blurs and the appearance of fine lines and pores and imperfections. Okay, so what you do, I'll just say it in my own words. You put this on, you wait 5 minutes, and then you'll feel your skin tighten, and then you put on your makeup. So this is so good. This, you literally can feel your skin tighten, which is so cool. It's like, whoa, science is coming to life. You can feel it happen, and then all of a sudden you feel it tighten, and then you go in with your foundation. Okay, this stuff is amazing. It's $42. It's worth it. It is so amazing. You guys, thank you so much for joining me. I literally feel like I need to go lay down. I don't feel good, and I literally have like a cold coming on, or I don't know if I've had one and I just have allergies. I don't know, but like I'm super stuffed up, so I'm gonna get off of here. This was a very quick live, but thank you so much for joining me, you guys. It was an amazing live, very quick, but all these products are some of my favorites, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye.